I am the good shepherd. I know my own, and my own know me, just as the Father knows me, and I know the Father. John chapter 10 verses 14 to 15. As our good shepherd, Jesus Christ leads us to the righteous path towards our ultimate destination, His abode and kingdom in heaven. On earth, He sends us shepherds that will help us be closer to God. On this day, we celebrate that momentous feat, and we celebrate His gift to us as a community of faithfuls. Today, we celebrate the 3rd anniversary of Reverend Father Ronnie D as the parish priest of San Matias Apostol Parish. In these 3 years, he have shared to us the graces of our Lord Jesus Christ through His gift in the healing ministry. And with that, we are being driven closer to our Lord Jesus Christ. As we celebrate this very day, let us remember the highlights of the stay of Reverend Father Ronnie D as our beloved parish priest. This is #Kautlong Banwa, Among Kaos SMAP Midterm Highlights. Last May 25, 2019, the people of San Matias Apostol Parish gathered at the Eastwalk Commercial Center in Moras de la Paz to celebrate the arrival of their new parish priest, Reverend Father Ronnie D. Together with him are the parishioners of Christ the Divine Healer Parish in Magalang, Pampanga. A procession to the San Matias Apostol Parish church grounds was held after his arrival. He was greeted by the local government officials and the outgoing parish priest, Reverend Father Robert Feliciano. The rite of installation and welcoming mass took place consequently. For the paeskwela ng Apong Matias, San Matias Apostol Parish also distributed school supplies to the elementary schools within the ecclesiastical territory of the parish. These supplies are offerings during the 9-day novena and feast day of San Matias Apostol. These were distributed last June 2019. Last July 20, 2019, the San Matias Apostol Parish Youth Ministry spearheaded the first Parish General Assembly to celebrate the 57th founding anniversary of San Matias Apostol Parish with the theme, Mabiyeng Kasalpantayanan, Balayan Amipanwanan. The attendees were grouped into 4 teams, and a mini team building activity was held during the program. From September 16 to 20, 2019, the Krusada ng Cruz ng Kayanakan, together with the Archdiocesan Youth Cross, arrived at San Matias Apostol Parish. The whole celebration was spearheaded by the San Matias Apostol Parish Youth Ministry with activities such as inter-school essay writing and poster-making competition, youth talk, letratula, youth night, and grand youth taze. The celebration of the Marian month last October 2019 was filled with activities. The parish distributed food packs to the SMAP community as part of this celebration. Also, a living rosary was held as a commencement for the Marian month 2019. It was followed by a Marian procession. Last October 30, 2019, a procession of saints was organized by the SMAP-YM, where participants wore clothings to portray their chosen saints. This is to raise awareness on the real essence of the solemnity of All Saints every November 1. The Parish Pastoral Coordinating Council planning last November 25 to 26, 2019 was the first SMAP pastoral planning that Among Kao attended. It was held at Nuwan Farm and Resort, Bacolor, Pampanga. Last December 11, 2019, the whole SMAP community celebrated the gift of vocation of Reverend Father Ronnie D. during his 22nd sacerdotal anniversary. A Thanksgiving Mass was held to commemorate this momentous feat. Last December 12, 2019, the 7th Among Kaos Ligligan Parol and the first SMAP Lubenas ng Pasko, dubbed a celebration of lights and tradition, took place. It was participated by the 5 chapels under the ecclesiastical jurisdiction of the parish, plus the community of San Matias Parish Church, namely Santa Clara Chapel in Moras West, Nuestra Señora de la Paz y Buen Viaje Chapel in Moras East, San Francisco de Assisi Chapel in Balangkas, Virgen de Candelaria Chapel in Candelaria, Santo Niño ng Praga Chapel in Sapa, and the Centro community. After a short program, the lanterns, made from recycled materials, were processed in the streets. Then, the awarding ceremonies took place, where Nuestra Señora de la Paz y Buen Viaje Chapel won the 3rd place, San Francisco ng Assisi Chapel won 2nd place, and Santo Niño Chapel was hailed as the champion for this year's SMAP Lubenas ng Pasko. Last December 27, 2019, the whole SMAP community celebrated the birth of Jesus Christ through a parish Christmas party. And to give back to the community, more than 200 packs of pamaskong handog were given to the less fortunate members of the SMAP community last December 30, 2019. These relief packs came from monetary and in-kind offerings throughout the whole Simbambengi from December 16 to 24, 2019. Last February 26, 2020, the commemoration of the Lenten season started with the Ash Wednesday. However, March 2020 started the nationwide community quarantine lockdowns brought by the global COVID-19 pandemic. Since people are not allowed to go out of their houses, masses without a congregation or misa sine populi were pushed through. Masses were only live streamed on the official Facebook page of San Matias Apostol Parish. To aid the community during the pandemic, Reverend Father Ronnie D organized SAU, Suporta at Ambag Ulining Parokya ng San Matias, a relief operation aimed to distribute relief goods to the community. The relief operation started last April 15, 2020 with the intention of giving relief packs to more than 1,000 indigent families in the community. On July 20, 2020, the San Matias Apostol Parish commemorated its 58th founding anniversary with the theme Mietang Mipnung Kapanayan, Anting Metong Abalayan. The celebration started with the Holy Mass, presided by Reverend Father Jun Ensichon and Reverend Father Ronnie D. Afterwards, a tree planting activity in a vacant lot at County Square subdivision was conducted. The activity area was divided for each chapel to represent their own seedlings as its activity. Last July 26, 2020, Among Kao celebrated a milestone in his life. He celebrated his 50th birthday. A Thanksgiving Mass was offered with birthday greetings from his family, friends, and the whole SMAP community. Lamak ng Virgen de los Remedios is a part of SAU, Suporta at Ambag Ulining Parokya ng San Matias, and the celebration of the Solemnity of Virgen de los Remedios. Through this lamak, the parish donated bond papers to the public elementary and high school under the parish last September 12, 2020. This donation can help the teachers as well as the students with their modular learning due to the situation brought on by the pandemic. An online living rosary was held on October 30, 2020 to commemorate Rosary Month. The online living rosary event served as a culminating point to the Holy Rosary Month. The online Marian exhibit 2020 followed after, which exhibited the Marian images of the parish and the Camaderos. Not restrained by the global pandemic, SMAP-YM held the first ever online portrayal of saints. The competition was divided into 3 brackets, and the entries were posted in the official Facebook page of SMAP YM. On the first Sunday of Advent, last November 30, 2020, the year of Missio ad Gentes was launched at San Matias Apostol Parish. The explanation of the logo elements was explained as well in the Holy Mass. Due to COVID restrictions, the 8th Among Caos Ligligan Parul and the 2nd SMAP Lubenas ng Pasko was held but only limited to the exhibition of each chapel's lanterns. Starting December 16, 2020, the lanterns were displayed inter-chapel and the winners were awarded on December 24, 2020. Among Caos celebrated his 23rd sacerdotal anniversary last December 11, 2020. With the presence of his family, friends, and the whole SMAP community, a Thanksgiving Mass was offered for this gift of vocation. Luwalu, Defending the Defenseless, is a short series produced by the San Matias Apostol Parish Youth Ministry and the then Ministry on Social Communications. It is conceptualized as a modernized panunuluyan, the story of Rhea and Seth. It was released last December 16 to 24, 2020. Aside from cash, the parish also accepted goods for the offering of every Simbang Bengi Masses. It includes coffee, sugar, coffee meat, biscuits, canned goods, cheese, spaghetti sauce, and pasta. After the 9 days of Simbang Gabi, the parish would pack and mostly use the cash offerings to add to the goods for them to donate as pamaskong handog for the year 2020. From March 8 to 15, 2021, the holy images of Virgen de los Remedios, Santo Cristo del Perdón y Caridad, and San Jose visited San Matias Apostol Parish for the Dalo Balen 2021. For the 5-day stay of the holy images, different activities were organized by each organization and ministry. A Holy Mass every day is also done and presided over by different priests, including Reverend Father June Encichon, Reverend Father Joel Jomarsos Gatus, and the parish priest Reverend Father Ronnie D. The Saup ng San Matias Mobile Community Pantry was organized last April 2021. A lot of people are fighting for a living as a consequence of the pandemic. Due to the crisis, the parish thought to extend their hands with a mobile community pantry, wherein they ask for donations in goods or cash and give them to the people in need. To answer to this call, the mobile community pantry rotates places outside the parish and the chapels. During the Lenten season 2021, the SMAP Ministry on Liturgy conducted the Pamayarap king Banal a Misa ding Mal-Alarawan ning Malaaldo 2021. In this, the Lenten images of the parish camaderos were one by one exhibited daily during the Lenten season. Later on, last April 2, 2021, the then Ministry on Social Communications collected them and turned them into the first SMAP online Lenten exhibit. The Feast of San Matias Apostol was celebrated on the 14th of May 2021. 2 masses were offered, one in the morning at 9 a.m., presided by Reverend Father Jude Encichon and Reverend Father Alfred David, the parish priest of Santo Tomas Apostol Parish. The second feast day mass was held at 5 p.m. and it was presided by Reverend Father Ronnie D. Last May 30, 2021, the SMAP Ministry on Liturgy and the then Ministry on Social Communications collaborated for the Rosario, Dalit at Panalangin na Pakayap as a commencement for the Marian month of May 2021. Last June 13 to 14, 2021, the Parish Pastoral Coordinating Council held its mid-year planning at Angeles City, Pampanga. During this planning session, mid-year activities were evaluated and the remaining activities for the year were planned. A Mass celebrated by Reverend Father Ronnie D was offered in commemoration of the 59th founding anniversary of San Matias Apostol Parish last July 20, 2021, with the theme, Miat lugod tang masalese, banpamiya bemasese. It was then followed by a mobile procession which roamed the entire parish territory. A Mass was offered and a mobile procession was held in honor of the parish's second patron, the Feast of Virgen Mater Dolorosa, last 15th of September 2021. As a celebration for the 500th year of Christianity in the Philippines, San Matias Apostol Parish was one with the whole Archdiocese of San Fernando for the conduct of Mayakit, the parochial leg of the Archdiocesan Mission Assembly activities. Mayakit ran through from September 19 to November 14, in which, during the 9 weeks, we commemorated the 9-year novena in preparation for the 500th year of Christianity in the Philippines. Prayer services were held during Thursdays of the said duration, while the Mission Assembly activities were situated every Saturday. Some of the activities were Dalo Pari, Paalmusal ng Apong Matias, and several recognitions including youth organizations, longtime church servants, Golden Wedding Anniversary celebrants, regular Mass goers, and civic organizations. For the Rosary month of October 2021, the SMAP-YM had a daily recitation of the Holy Rosary. Rosary hymns and prayers for healing was held last October 31, 2021 to culminate the month of the Most Holy Rosary. The Rosary was offered and recited with prayers and intentions. Then, the Ministry on Social Communications held the second online Marian Exhibit 2021. The SMAP-YM organized the second online Portrayal of Saints. This is the second time that the SMAP-YM have organized the Portrayal of Saints virtually. Through the Ministry on Service, the Parish Pastoral Coordinating Council held a libreng gupit ni Apong Matias last November 29, 2021. Free hair services were given to the interested members of the SMAP community. Among Ronnie's 24th sacerdotal anniversary was celebrated last December 11, 2021, with a Mass being offered by him as well. The brightest night of December was held last December 12, 2021. The 9th Among Kaos Ligligan Parul and the 3rd SMAP Lubenas ning Pasko came out successful. The program was back again after being cancelled last year due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The program was hosted by Brother Christian Real and Brother Renz Mendoza. The night ended with the Santo Niño Chapel as the champion and Grand Slam winner. Nuestra Señora de la Paz Ibn Viaje Chapel was the defending second place, and Virgen de Candelaria Chapel defended the third spot. The SMAP Synodality Sessions started last January 8, 2022. This is an answer to the call of the Roman Catholic Church in listening to the people in journeying together towards God. The listening sessions were initiated by the SMAP Synodality team. The sectors featured were active church servers, education sector, elderly and senior citizens, youth and young professionals, persons in politics, business sector, poor sector, LGBTQIA+ community, non-church goers but baptized, non-Catholic Christians, broken families and single parents, vendors, differently abled people, and overseas Filipino workers. The Parish Pastoral Coordinating Council held another pastoral planning last February 6 to 7, 2022. This planning session is to draft out the parochial activities for the year 2022. San Matias Apostol Parish is one with the celebration of Women's Month. It offered free hair services for the women of the parish last March 19, 2022. The commemoration of the Holy Week 2022 was more remarkable because of the comeback of some of the activities due to the gradual decrease of restrictions of the COVID-19 pandemic. The Holy Week processions during the Holy Wednesday and Good Friday were back. Also, the rite of washing of the feet and Dakit Cordero during Monday Thursday and the rite of baptism during the Easter Vigil were also back. Volunteers for the Parish Pastoral Coordinating Council for Responsible Voting or PPCRV participated in the conduct of the 2022 national and local elections in the hope of a clean, honest, accurate, meaningful, and peaceful election. The 59th Fiestang Parokya is remarkable as the tradition of Hermanidad is back in the parish. The chosen Hermana and Hermano Mayor were Sister Jane and Brother Romel Laranjo. The celebration of the Fiestang Parokya opened up with the revelation of the 59th Parochial Feast logo, the rite of installation of the Vara Alta to the Hermana and Hermano Mayor, and the translation of San Matias Apostol to the house of the Hermana Mayor. Other activities and program were Salangi, kang Apong Matias Tamo Takiki, the opening salvo and motorcade. Mampit, Matula Tamong Dalakit, an arco making competition. Wangis, Ding Anak ng Apong Matias, an online portrayal of San Matias. Salap, Ding Ablas ning Mayap, the official SMAP 59 Parochial Feast merchandise. Dulang, Makirake king Kayapang Iyempang, the paalmusal ng Apong Matias, and the 3-part Kuraldal kang Apong Matias. The liturgical celebrations were presided by several priests, namely, Most Reverend Florentino G. Lavarias, the Archbishop of San Fernando, Reverend Father Eugenio G. Reyes, Reverend Father June Ancichon, and of course our parish priest, Reverend Father Ronnie D. Today, we celebrate the 3rd anniversary of Among Cao as the parish priest of San Matias Apostol Parish. In his 3 years, we have been ever blessed by the graces of God through the healing heart of Jesus Christ. With these 3 years, we have seen how Among Cao became our shepherd, our father, our friend, our companion on our journey, and the representative of Christ in our parish. Indeed, Among Cao is Jesus' faithful servant to us.
Hello po, Among! Happy 3rd year anniversary po kiniking Parokya Tamong San Matias Apostol Parish. Munang-muna po, dakala salamat kin pamalantabeyo at suporta po kaya kami kin pamamastulyo kin parokyami at dakala salamat bagamat po pandemic po dakal kayo activities para kaya kami at para kin parokya. Asahan niyo po na yung Parish Pastoral Coordinating Council, PPCC, ating Parish Finance Council, palagi pong makasuporta kaya kayo na naman pong aktibidades na baluming makasawop kin parokya. Sana po di na kayo pa pong dakalasikanan at kadyas na ninggino para lalo na pong matupad din kaya kayong pamalak para kaya katamo. Dakal pong salamat at abe-abe tamo pong maglakbe San Matias Apostol yang mantabi. Happy anniversary pong pasibayo. Love you, Among!
3 years, done. But let us remember that there are more ways ahead of us. In our journey together with our shepherd, our beloved parish priest, Among Cao, may we always be guided and accompanied by our Lord Jesus Christ, just like how He walked with the 2 disciples on their way to Emmaus. Altogether, maggrasyang katlong banwa King SMAP Among Cao,